What's the meaning of combustion? Combustion. Combustion.
Combustion. Combustion. Combustion is a chemical process that occurs when fuel is burned in the presence of oxygen, resulting in the release of energy in the form of heat and light. During combustion, the fuel molecules react with oxygen to form new compounds, most commonly carbon dioxide and water vapor. This process can occur naturally, as in the case of wildfires, or be deliberately initiated in engines, heaters, or other devices that require heat or motion. The result of combustion is the transformation of fuel into new compounds, along with the release of energy that can be harnessed for various purposes.